Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video. A beautiful Milano Red Fn2 Honda Civic in the house today for tuning. Now, this one's been mapped previously, so we may not make any peak power, we may not make any mid-range power at all, but the reason it's here is because it has switchable maps and they don't appear to be functioning properly. So cutting the car out and jerking around and all sorts of things. So we know that we can put our stamp on it and make sure that the map's correct, so we're going to do that. But like I say, we may make some power, we may not. It's been tuned before. Let's find out.
So there we have it, Richard.
Yeah. Seemed like a lot of work for not a massive amount of power there.
Well, it's got minimal mods on it, hasn't it?
Yeah, to be fair, there's not a lot of mods in this car.
And we did say at the very start of the video that there was minimal mods and it's been tuned previously, so we didn't know whether we were going to make any power anyway today. We certainly weren't expected to make an extravagant amount of power.
Well, it was mapped 6 years ago, weren't it? According to the log. So it was mapped 6 years ago. Obviously, things could have changed, gone back to standard, come back from standard.
It might have been the start of someone's career with Fn2s, because the switchable maps on this particular vehicle tended to just spaz the car out.
Yeah, it didn't seem to like it, did it? Anyway, so we've made some power in the mid-range, which is great. We haven't made a massive amount of peak power, but then like you said, but there's not a massive amount of mods on this car. So obviously next step for this would be a manifold, you know, an induction kit at least, really. And then that's sort of going to unlock a little bit of power. Obviously, if you don't want to spend big money, but you know, obviously that's definitely got to move forward. I think we've done well with what we've got. We know for a fact with these, they generally don't really make any power, do they? With just an exhaust.
No, you might make some mid-range gains, and when you map at a stock car, it's more about drivability at that point, isn't it? A little bit of mid-range power, but some features that make the car, well, make you feel more connected to the car as a driver, because it's all controlled on the steering wheel with switchable maps and your adjustable launch control and stuff like that. So it does make a difference. But if your goal is power, it's about getting breathing mods on a K20 engine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sure we may see it again at some point.
I'm sure we probably will. Want to look at the graph?
Let's have a look at that graph.
Let's do it. We usually do, don't we? So let's do that.
Well, there we have it. Say it with me. Red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. Now, we weren't entirely sure we would make any power today because the car had been tuned previously, but we certainly have. Whilst we've not got massive peak numbers, the car is very barely modified. So we're happy with that. It's got its switchable maps, as Richard said now, and we finish on 205.5. So we're up at the wheels to 173. So that's another FN2 in the bag. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. And don't forget that every last Saturday of the month is a Honda meet here at Dynodaze. So do come down and say hello. But we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich? You all right, mate?
Yeah. I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.
Hey, it's your boy Danny at Dynodaze. Just to let you know, every last Saturday of the month is a Honda meet at Dynodaze. So that's every last Saturday, 9 AM till 12 noon. We've got a rolling road here if you need it. But otherwise, just come down in your Honda, park up, pop your hood, chat to other like-minded enthusiasts. We love it. It's chilled out. So come and join us. Last Saturday of every month, Honda meet. Yeah.